The chances are you've probably got little Jess Dianella growing somewhere nearby you. It's the most popular Dianella in Australia, but breeding never stops. Over the last couple of decades, we've been breeding very hard to try to even get better, and we've cracked it. We now have the new improved little Jess Dianella. Look at this beauty. It has beautiful flowers, very clean foliage. It grows beautifully into a clump. It cuts back way better than the old one, has better frost tolerance so it stays more evergreen, better in humidity. It cuts back, as I said, the best, and with that you can actually go only around about 3 to 5 centimetres short. You can even hit it with a brush cutter. It's just so much more forgiving. Not only is it more drought tolerant, the best thing about it is its cleanliness of the foliage. And when you look close, it just stays cleaner. The new improved little Jess Dianella is slightly better than the old one when it comes to heavier soils and slightly moist conditions. But if you get that long period of rain for 3 months, it just sits there and doesn't grow and copes beautifully. So this plant is really forgiving when it does get a bit wet. This is the original little Jess Classic Dianella, the one that's been around for 20-something years. It's still tight and compact, yet the canes do tend to fall over a little bit, and it doesn't quite look as good as the new improved Dianella little Jess. Like the old little Jess Dianella, the new and improved little Jess Dianella is great for erosion control. It is great for slopes, great for retaining walls, anywhere where you want to hold the soil. Wonderful in sandy soils and coastal conditions. It works where the other one worked, but it just does it better. Now, if you want the best performing Dianella that is small, that will stop erosion, that will provide habitat for native wildlife, lizards, frogs, whether it be birds, the berries, they absolutely love. The insects live in here, it makes great habitat. They're a really useful plant. Being so compact and small is what made little Jess Dianella so famous. And the new improved form is just as compact, needs very little pruning, and is a beautiful evergreen clumping plant that stays very tidy.